Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I know it's been a little bit over a week since the last video. I had a couple things during the week that delayed the painting process, but today guys, we're painting the Honda. I decided to go with a base clear. Honestly, just a overall better paint. I think it's gonna last a lot longer and it's gonna just look so much nicer on the car. I got my 2 quarts of clear, I got a quart of color, and I just got some final wipe here to clean the car down perfectly before we go ahead and apply that paint. So I've literally gone over the car top to bottom in 400 grit sandpaper. We are like at a perfect, smooth consistency. There's just no more ripple of that old high build. So I'm ready to go ahead and apply some paint. Hope this comes out nice. If you guys are new to the channel, I will link a card right here letting you guys see the entire Paint at Home series. Enjoy this episode, guys. I'm gonna suit up, put on some tunes, and get this car painted. So I've got about 3 coats of clear on the car. Now that I have clear coat done, I can just go ahead and let this cure. And honestly, there is a couple spots that did actually have some fisheyes. I honestly don't know what the contaminants were or what I did in between here that may have caused something like that to happen, but it's happened. So with a couple of the spots, mostly on the actual the doors, I'm actually going to sand that down, block it down, and re-clear those and get those looking nicer, because they just have a little bit too much of an issue with that. And then in the next episode, I plan on actually assembling the car a little bit to let you kind of see the before and afters of what the car once was to what it is today. So we'll probably even start working on actually cutting and buffing the car a little bit to get to that point. But we are looking very good and we're in good shape. So I'm gonna let this cure overnight and take a look at it tomorrow, pull it outside, let it bake in the sun for a bit. Thanks again for watching today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later in the next episode of Garage SpeCivic.